Mobil 1 10W40 Racing 4T motorcycle oil that's advanced full synthetic. I own a 2002 CBR 954RR, and this is all I ever use. Mobil 1 Racing 4T is used for on-road and off-road and competition four-stroke motorcycles. This unique formulation is engineered to help provide high output by helping keep engines clean, optimized for high temperatures, durability during long rides or short races, and designed for superb engine, clutch, and transmission protection. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.